Assalamualaikum children, how are you today? I hope you are doing fine at home with your family. I am Teacher Wawa. Before we start our class, let's recite doa penerang hati first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wa anshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Dan jangan lupa baca doa waktu pagi juga tau. Mari ikut teacher baca sama-sama. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a wa rizqan thayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbala. Okay children, let's start our class. Surah Hafazah for today is Surah Al-Lail from Juzuk Amma. Don't forget to memorize this surah with your parents at home. Okay, now teacher want to tell you a very short story about Nabi Yahya alaihi salam. Nabi Yahya alaihi salam Nabi ke-23 daripada 25 Nabi. Nabi Yahya alaihi salam diriwayatkan sebagai seorang anak yang taat kepada kedua orang tuanya. Nabi Yahya tidak sombong dan derhaka kepada kedua ibu bapanya. Ketika Nabi Yahya telah dewasa, Nabi Yahya telah dibunuh oleh Raja Herodes kerana Nabi Yahya telah menyampaikan larangan Allah untuk menikahi anak saudaranya sendiri. So, kita kena buat baik dengan mak ayah kita tahu. Ingat, jangan derhaka, nanti Allah marah. Today, teacher want to do revision number with you. Okay, now let's start with number 1. This is number 1. Repeat after teacher. 1. This is number 2. Repeat after teacher. 2. This is number 3. Repeat after teacher. 3. This is number 4. Repeat after teacher. 4. And the last one is number 5. Repeat after teacher. 5. You also need to do pre-writing skill page 2 on nursery program book number 2. You just need to trace the zigzag lines and don't forget to color the drum. Before we end our class, let's sing a song first. 1, 2, 3. Pom 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 ular yang panjang. Pom 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 cicak yang pendek. Pom 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 zirafah yang tinggi. Pom 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 tikus yang rendah. Panjang, pendek, tinggi dan rendah. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.